Wix Portfolio Tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can add a portfolio website in your Wix and how you can create one. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard of all my sites, and over here all my websites are available. And if it's your first time creating a website, for you it might be a little bit different. So over here, as you can see, I have all of the sites I want. So there are basically two ways to create a Wix website. Wix is pretty amazing, so you don't have to worry about any lag, any compatibility issues. It's pretty straightforward and really good, and they have amazing so over here, if I come over here and to create a new site, it's going to take me over to the new page where I can actually try to create a new site. So it's going to ask me what type of website are you trying to create. Now since this is a portfolio website, so we're just simply going to choose portfolio, or we can skip next, quickly skip this and just choose our own website. So over here, they're basically going to ask us what type of add-ons do you want to add to your website: online store, booking, events, forms, pricing plans, video, music, online program, forum, all these different ones. You can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. I mean, you can add them later on as well, but it all depends on you. So we'll just simply skip this one as well. We're going to quickly jump into creating a website. Now over here, they basically they basically ask us choose how you want to create a website. So you have let Wix ADI create a website for you, which is the Wix's artificial intelligence software that will ask you a bunch of different questions and then determine which website would work best for you. So keep that in mind. You can go ahead and do that, or you can create your own website with the editor. I would recommend doing this because this gives you a lot of options and a lot of control on your website with a lot of templates, and make it your own with an easy drag and drop. 10,000 of designs. It's pretty simple. It's really easy. But if you just want a website, a quick and easy website up and running, you don't want to do any customizations or anything like that, then I would recommend ADIs for you. I mean, that also is a good option. I mean, that website also looks good, but I would recommend going with the editor and editing a template yourself. So let's go ahead and click on edit a template. And over here, these are some of the most popular templates over here. And whenever I hover my mouse over a template, you will have two options: view or edit. View to view the website, and edit to edit that website. Now, since we are trying to create a portfolio type of website, let's go ahead and try to find it. All right. So over here, you have your categories, and over here, you can choose whichever one you want. So let's go ahead and search for a portfolio. So if I search for portfolio over here, as you can see, category, this is how it will looks like. Now these are all the videos that are used for a portfolio website. You can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. I really like this one, so let's go ahead and view this website. It's an illustration website for illustrators, so that they can create a good portfolio. So this is how it looks like. It looks pretty cool, looks pretty nice. So just simply, we're gonna go ahead and edit this website. So as you can see, the pop-up came as well. So we'll just click on edit this site, and it's going to take us to the editor where we can edit the website. Just simply wait for a couple of seconds for the Wix editor to load up, and once it's loaded up, we are good to go. Alright, once the editor has loaded up, this is how it's gonna look like. So over here, you have on the left side your tools, such as your add tool, your menu and pages, site design, add apps, media, start blogging, ascend business tool, and this is how it looks like. And this is your main website. Now, whenever I hover my mouse over any other subjects or any of these pages or sections, instantly that section gets highlighted, which means that I can go ahead and edit that section, and it's really cool. You can pretty much edit any section you want. It all depends on you. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead and change the background of this portfolio, make it a little bit different color, all I would have to do is just click on the blank space over here behind these sections, and just you have the option will pop up, change page background. Simply click on change page background, and then you will have a bunch of different images over here that you can go ahead and choose from. You will even have colors as well. You can go ahead and pick a color, or you can add like a video. It all depends on you. And Wix will give you all of these options for you because they have a media from Wix. They have like a stock media over here that you can choose from, or you can go ahead and go over here onto Shutterstock, where you can find your own stock footage. But remember, it costs like $16. So I would recommend sticking with the premium version, with the free version for now, and just moving along with it. So if over here, if I search for, let's say, illustrations, and I will have a bunch of these options. So I think these are all really good illustrations that we can use on our website. So let's go ahead and choose one of them. I really like this one, so I'm just simply going to click over here and click on change background, and boom, and then I can apply to other pages as well. So over here I can go ahead and choose all pages, and boom, there you go. So next, all that's left for us to do is just, no nothing. So over here in the background, as you can see, we have a background at the backside, and we changed the background. That's how you basically do it now. But if you wanted to change some of these images, like upload your own portfolio, so all you would have to do is just simply click over here onto this section, and you will have the pop-up manage media. And if you click on manage media, you will be able to upload your own media over here onto this part of the website. So if you click on manage media over here, you will have all of the images, and you can go ahead and move these images respectively, and however you feel like it. And you can go ahead and delete all of them and add your own media. So if I click on add media and I wanted to add, let's say, an image, I would have to simply upload my own image over here. Let's click on upload and just simply find the image that you wanted to upload. Let's say this is the image that I wanted to upload. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be uploaded. And once it's uploaded, just simply click on add to gallery, and you will have this image over here. So let me just put it over here in the front and just simply click on done. And over here, it should pop up. There you go, it's reloaded, and now we have our illustration over here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, it's really nice. That's how we basically do it. You can edit anything you want, but if you wanted to like change the fonts of this as well, or any other thing, so over here just simply click on change background, or you can go ahead and change the font of it as well. So over here, click on change header design, and over here you can design the header. So we can add no color, you can add like a border, a black bar, pink color, whatever one you want. You can go ahead and do that, or you can click on customize design, and you can go ahead and literally customize anything over here. You can add like a fill opacity, you can add like borders, paddings, or whatever. Everything, it all depends on you. So let's go with a non-color one and just simply click on OK. Now over here, what if you wanted to update, what if you wanted to like edit the fonts of this one? So over here, what you would need to do, just simply click over here and click on manage menu. Simply click over here and click on the layout over here. Then it's going to give you the layout option, and then what you can do is you can align the text over here, you can display the items over here, you have some more options over here as well. If you want to add that, you are good to go. And you can even design the header as well. So you have these pre-made templates over here. As you can see, you can make them bold, you can make them buttons, you can have them or dedicated buttons, or whatever you can choose. It all depends on you. As long as they fit in with the website, I think it looks good. So I really like this one, so I'm going to keep that, and then just simply close it. Or you can go ahead and customize the design as well. Over here you can change the font as well. You can add like different types of things. You can add like menus, you can add like colors over here, color of the fonts. You can go ahead and make it black, well, however you feel like it. You can add like corners, you can add like shadows, and you can add like an angle to them as well. And once that's done, you can even like customize the text as well. So it's very simple, it's really good. Everything can be edited on this website. It all depends on you. So, and once the website has been edited and it's good to go, all you would have to do is just simply click on publish to publish the website. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be published, and as you can see, congratulations, your site has been published. And then what you can do is you can add like a domain to your own brand, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and click on view site to view the website, and over here this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice, it looks pretty good. But this is what I was talking about. If you're going to use the free version, then of course this ad is going to be popped up over here at the top. But if you upgrade your plan, then you won't. But it all depends on you. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a portfolio website on Wix. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.